Here's how to add keyframes in Premiere Pro. So here, as you can see, I imported a video in my timeline, and now I will use keyframe to make this video zoom in or zoom out or move around. So select the video clip in your timeline in which clip you want to add keyframes. Now go to Effect Controls, and under Effect Controls, Expand Motion, and here we can see a slider. So using the slider, select the first frame. So you have to select the first frame, and then for example I want to zoom in the video clip. So first of all, let's add here a keyframe for scale, and here we can see the keyframe added. Now I'm going to moving this slider and selecting this part of this video, and here I want to zoom in the video. So I'm adding another keyframe by clicking on this keyframe icon, and here we can see the second keyframe added. Now select the second keyframe and click on this scale value, and here you can easily zoom the video part just like so. Now if I play the video, and here you can see the zoom in effect added to this part. And now let's add a zoom out scale or effect. So I'm going to moving forward this scale, and at this point I want to zoom out this video. So here's I'm adding another keyframe and selecting the third keyframe, and here scale I'm giving 100%, and that's it. The video successfully zoomed out. Now let's play the video. So here we can see the video is zooming in, and now video is zooming out. Now I want to move this video using keyframes. So first of all, I'm going to put this at the top of video timeline, and now I'm going to turning on position keyframe, and here we can see the keyframe added. Now I'm going to adding another keyframe here for position, and then at this point I'm going to adding another keyframe and selecting the third keyframe, and here I'm going to change position of this video. So here's I'm double clicking on the video and changing the video position, and here we can see the keyframe added. And now let's play the video, zooming in, zooming out, and the video will be moved just like so. And that's how we can add and use keyframes in Premiere Pro.